Are you, like so many people in business, just hate selling? You need to sell in any business. Well, maybe not selling ice cream, but mostly selling is a skill to know and love. Now, if you don't want to love it, there's an easy route. Change your mindset. No, this isn't becoming an attitude adjustment video. It's just a quick fix. Realize if you change your attitude about sales, you'll be able to go out and sell more confidently and in a more genuine way. So, what attitude is stopping you from selling effectively? Selling feels sleazy. Frankly, I'm always stumped with this one because the people who say it are those that have a good business with a valuable service or wonderful products that can help people. There's nothing sleazy about that. If selling feels sleazy to you, this means that you're doing it all wrong, or at least thinking about it wrong. The idea is to help people and collaborate with them to find a solution to their problems. Hopefully, that solution is your product or service. Rather than a high-pressure sales pitch, you should be engaging the prospect in a conversation where the two of you work together to discuss their needs and how your offering can help solve their problems. For more ideas on selling easily, I have 4 more at the link below.